Hey, this is John Joseph Xavier Cihon, and I'm coming at you from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Today, we're going to unbox the Summer 2021 Marvel Gear and Goods Crate. Now, before we open it up, this comes out quarterly, costs about $40 with shipping, and this is the Summer Crate. It was supposed to come out in July. It was delayed, and I got it yesterday, which was September 4th. So we're pretty much missing summer. Labor Day is tomorrow. But I do have it. Here it is. This is the Incredible Hulk and She-Hulk theme crate summer 2021. Now the first thing I noticed, this is the first time I got this crate. I have noticed in crates in the past that the box was actually decorated. This box is not decorated, so that is a bit of a bummer. Just got a generic box. But we'll open it up. And each one comes with 4 to 6 items. So the first item are Incredible Hulk flip-flops. I don't wear flip-flops, so I'm not crazy about it. That's what you get with a blind box crate. I usually wear Jordan slides, much more comfortable. These also actually look like they're going to be too small for me too. So these are going to hit eBay. I think they went off. There's a pair of shorts in here. We'll get to those next. I think that these say size medium. They went off my short size. They're too small. I'm on the skinny side. So let's not delay though. Let's open up the shorts. These I like. So yeah, these have pockets on the sides. So we have these purple Incredible Hulk shorts, and yeah, this cool image of the Hulk. And on the whole, I'm pretty happy with these. So I got the medium size probably, and that's probably why I got the medium size of the flip-flops, which are not going to fit me. I think I will send an email to Loot Crate who does this. See if they can send me flip-flops that fit me. I doubt it, but I think it's worth an email. But I like this. I like the shorts a lot, so that's a plus. As you can see right now, I've got on purple and green shorts. Color combo I like, and these are sharp. So that is a yes. Yes on that. Next is a She-Hulk Visor. So it's got cool, this is John Byrne artwork right here. Those of you who read his She-Hulk or just bought comics in the 90s in general may recognize this. So pretty straightforward. Velcro strap, so it's adjustable. This is just a little piece of paper that was cardboard that was in there to hold its shape that fell out. So I normally don't wear a visor. I prefer a baseball cap. It's a personal preference. I'll see if my girlfriend wants this. If not, this may hit eBay too. I am getting older and my hair is getting a little bit thin up top. I hate to say it, but it's true. So I usually prefer a baseball cap over a visor because I don't want my head to get sunburnt on the top. Okay, and here's another item. This looks like a beach bag. Oh, so this is insulated inside. That's pretty nice. It's got a zipper pocket. And got some cool artwork. It kind of reminds me of the Vertigo poster, the Alfred Hitchcock film. Kind of has that vibe. So purple and green insulated beach bag. I do like this a lot. Because of the delays, which because of the world situation, I don't know how much we can blame that on Loot Crate. There's a lot of supply chain issues going on that may be out of their control right now. So this would be really useful in the summer to take to the beach. So there's not too much time left to do that. There is next year though. So the beach bag, big yes. Shorts, big yes for me as well. The flip-flops, the visor. This visor is okay. You want to wear a visor. It's mostly white too, so you're not married to the purple and green. The flip-flops, you're not a... flip-flops are generally cheap. These are alright. And, oh, there's this card with a little code to scan to find out more about the items too. I'll do that. If there's anything really important that I find out from this code, I'll either make another video or put it in the comments. So 4 items. This is advertised as having 4 to 6 items. I am a little bit disappointed that we only got 4. And for 40 bucks, it's alright. I don't feel like I'm going to do it next quarter. I think this is it. I got the SpongeBob Summer Box. I thought that was a little bit more money, but you had more stuff, and I did feel better about that. This is useful stuff, though. These I'll wear. This bag definitely can go to the beach, to the pool, so this is a useful bag. This will be a nice little pocket to put sunscreen in, maybe my keys. So, it's alright. It's not terrible. I'm not in love with it either. So, that's it. For 40 bucks, it's okay. I mean, shorts are expensive. A pair of shorts like this are probably about $30. The beach bag. So, yeah, I probably got about $40 worth of stuff. So, that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you've gotten a subscription box, either this one or another one, let me know what you think. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.